Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Invited guests, the management of Sheikh Ibrahim, Sheikh Yusuf, Sheikh Madar Secondary School. I am very happy to be invited here for this occasion where we see our Form 4 students saying bye-bye to secondary school. MashaAllah, as Unity University, we are very proud of you. We've had a good relationship with the Dugsga Sareh, Sheikh Ibrahim, Sheikh Yusuf, Sheikh Madar Secondary School for a long time, about 5 years now. Since 2021, we've been offering scholarships. Higher education is not cheap, it's very expensive. It's the role of all of us to see that the future of Somaliland is bright. I would like to congratulate the management, especially my namesake, Mr. Yusuf. He has done a lot in education, and this school, Sheikh Ibrahim, Sheikh Yusuf, Sheikh Madar, is a testimony that private schools can also perform well. People have a mindset that for you to get knowledge, to pass very well, to get good marks, you have to go to a private school. There are very many private schools, very many public schools in Somaliland that perform well, even better than private schools. Among them is this school. The discipline is one accent, everything is one accent, management is one accent. So a big clap for the management, the teachers who are doing a very great job for nurturing the future of Somaliland. You are finishing your 4 years of secondary school. It's just the beginning. As you are celebrating today, you know that there is a lot ahead for you. For Somaliland to develop, it is you. You need to put in a lot of effort by acquiring education. So I would like to thank the management of Hargeisa Cultural Center, Jama Muse Jama, for giving them the opportunity to have their hafla here. I would also like to give a big clap again to the teachers. Yes, there is a saying that only the brave choose to teach. It's not very easy to change somebody to be someone. Though we are the ones people don't look at, but the world is under us. We change minds. MashaAllah. I would like to thank you for coming, and we pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you more ilm. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, imtihan from 4 and aksan, Allahumma Amin. May all of you get A+, 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 like your predecessors have been doing. MashaAllah. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.